Sellers are off the fence and buyers are whatever. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Sellers jumped into the market during June. Home buyers had 1,000 more choices compared with June 2021. Even with more choices, buyers stayed out of the market. Home sales dropped compared with May, and there were 600 fewer homes sold compared with June 2021. Buyers just aren't willing to pay. Yes, sales prices dropped from May to June. However, they were still more than June 2021. And the median sales price year to date is still record-setting compared with previous years. That's the big picture. What about our local markets? Let's start with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. More choices for buyers everywhere except for Albany and Berkeley. Prices still up almost everywhere. Albany up more than 30% to 1.6. Prices down in Alameda, San Lorenzo, and Union City. Sales mostly down. Fremont, 90 homes sold, down more than 40%. Next is West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, mixed. More choices in Pinole, Richmond, and San Pablo. Prices still increasing. San Pablo, $700,000, up 30%. Sales down. El Cerrito, Pinole, and Richmond all dropped more than 30%. Central Contra Costa County is up next. Homes for sale, mixed. Big increases in Concord, Martinez, and Walnut Creek. Prices, the market is shifting. Prices down in Clayton and Concord, single-digit percentage increases in Martinez, Pleasant Hill, and Walnut Creek. Sales, mostly down. Walnut Creek, 54 sold, down more than 40% from last June. Let's check out La Miranda. Homes for sale, mixed. Fewer choices in Lafayette and Moraga. Orinda, 23 for sale, up 35%. Prices up, still going up. Moraga, 2.3, up 30%. Sales, mostly down. Lafayette, 32 sold, down 30%. Okay, let's check in with the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, here comes the sellers. A ton more homes on the market everywhere except for Alamo. Livermore, 101, San Ramon, 96 for sale. Prices still up from last June. San Ramon, 1.98, up more than 20%. Sales, home buyer fatigue continues in the Tri-Valley as sales down everywhere. Dublin and Livermore both down at least 40%. San Ramon down almost 60%. Finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale up everywhere. More than 100 homes in the market in Antioch and Brentwood. Prices still going up. Oakley, 715, up 10% from last June. Sales, buyer fatigue hits the Delta. Sales down everywhere. 88 sold in Brentwood, down almost 40%. What will the second half of 2022 look like? Buyers worried about prices and interest rates may stay on the sidelines, while sellers may be changing their game plans and their expectations. We'll see you next month.